What is a blockchain? Blockchain is actually keeping and arranging words in small units and called blocks in a simple and few words. Each unit or a block has got some data from the previous cryptographic hash. In simpler words, the blocks hold the data of some valid transactions and then they are encoded into a Merkle tree, which is the data of transactions that have been done. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss a very interesting topic, blockchain, all about its type and uses and various benefits of a blockchain. So, without any further talk, let's get into the video. Blockchain, also sometimes called distributed ledger technology, is very helpful in making the overall structure of a digital asset with the help of cryptographic hash and decentralization. Let me make you understand this topic more clearly and simply. We share a certain Google document with our friends and relatives and they get access to it. Similarly, the working of blockchain is performed as the assets are distributed digitally instead of copying or transferring them. Moreover, the public has access to it, so it can change as transparency exists. In short, blockchain seems promising to the public as it reduces the risk and frauds faced by most people on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Blockchain can be divided into three parts: blocks, nodes, and miners, which can be elaborated under. Number 1. Miners. Mining can be defined through a process of blocks created by miners. As I discussed earlier, each block or unit of the blockchain has its data that we call nonce and hash. But my dear friends, the language seems easy while the process is not as easy as we think. Basically, miners use a certain type of software to exemplify the situation's complexity or the working. Number 2. Nodes. Talking about nodes, it is the most important blockchain concept that we will discuss. Node is basically an electronic device used to maintain or regulate the data stored in a blockchain. The data is distributed through other parts through nodes. Number 3. Blocks. Blockchain is made by different units called blocks. Blocks are structured basically into three concepts: data, nonce, and hash. Data can be found in a block, while the nonce is a 32-bit whole number that gets randomly generated when a block is created by someone on the web, followed by a hash of 256-bit number connected to the nonce. But there's a criterion that must start with many zeros. When your first block is created, the nonce generates its own cryptographic hash. The use of blockchain is mostly made in cryptocurrencies. So the crypto uses this blockchain in data management basically to secure and protect the transactions performed by the public. Blockchain.com is a privately owned company led by CEO Peter Smith and 3 others as well. So you see how easy the blockchain concept is? Isn't it? Do tell me your views in the comment section below. So that was all for today's video. I hope you would have liked it. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. See you soon in the next one.